Hey guys, so welcome back, and if you are new, welcome, and I hope you'll hit that subscribe button before you leave. So today I do have a Rite couponing haul, so let's jump into this. So I picked up 2 of these big Bounty paper towels, and they are the 8 rolls. I picked up, they were priced at $6.94 a piece. Also, I picked up the Charmin, 2 of those, and these are huge packs. And they were $6.94 as well. And this was included in the promotion this week. When you spend $30, you get $10 back in points or cash, whatever the new system is called. And then also I needed a filler to get me to $30, so I just picked up 3 of these little Dawns. I used 25% off coupon on both of these. 25% off coupon on both of those. That came in Sunday's P&G. Also, we picked up these Hersheys Gold. I got 4 of them. 1 is gone. We had a snack earlier. They were absolutely delicious. And there was a 50-cent coupon in the Smart Source of Sunday's paper, which made these guys completely free. So I did end up rolling $20 that I had on my account. And my total, my subtotal, was $9.73. My taxes were $1.68, and I paid $11.41. So I thought that was an absolute great deal for everything I got. And then I did get my $10 wellness points back. So yes, so it's like I paid $1 for all of these items. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.